Welcome back to the Crypto World channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and in this emergency Bitcoin update, Bitcoin is right now breaking into a new all-time high. The previous all-time high for Bitcoin was back at the end of February at around 58,000 US dollars, and right now Bitcoin has broken above 59,000 US dollars and is heading straight for that $60,000 level and beyond. I've been calling for this break of the all-time high and the $60,000 price target for months now on the channel. In every single video for pretty much the past month, I've been telling you that Bitcoin will be breaking above $60,000 in the month of March, in this month. And yeah, right now this is happening as we speak. If you want to know my next Bitcoin price target above 60,000, make sure you're watching this video all the way through. There's going to be some extremely valuable information in this video, so yeah, do not miss this one. Also, I will be including a bit of Ethereum analysis in this video, and I'll be showing you my exact Ethereum price targets in this video. And I normally cover one of your suggested altcoins in these videos, but because this is just a quick emergency update mainly for the Bitcoin break of the all-time high, I just want to quickly make this video, get it out to you as fast as possible so that you're the first to know what is happening and where Bitcoin will be heading next. So yeah, just before we get into it, if all of that sounds good to you, then please make sure to just quickly leave a like on the video down below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on for more videos like this one. I really appreciate all of your support on the channel at the moment. But yeah, anyway, with all of that out of the way, let's get straight into what this video is about. So right here, this is on the Bitcoin US dollar chart on the 4-hour chart. And yeah, as you can see, we've seen this break above the all-time high now. So once again, the all-time high was set at around the 21st of February, approximately at around 58,000 US dollars. And yeah, just about a day ago, we came back up to that exact level pretty much. And then we got a rejection off that level, which was exactly what I was expecting. And if you've been watching my last few videos, if you're a subscriber on the channel, you would know that I've actually been saying that Bitcoin's going to have a small little dip like this and build up momentum to break above the all-time high once again. And just zooming into the 1-hour chart, I recorded my last video back here when Bitcoin was getting this rejection from that 58k level. And I said that there was this small little head and shoulders forming, as you can see on the chart. And I said the price target was at around this level just here. Now, my exact price target that I said in my last video for this pattern was actually set at around this low, which was at around 54,500 US dollars. And we came back down to around 54,900. So just short of my target, but we still came down for a dip like I predicted anyway. And I said in my last video, any downside dip that we see on the chart should be a buying opportunity for you. You should be buying every single dip on the chart. And yeah, once again, if you listen to what I said in my last video, you would be right now in a massive profit. So honestly, congrats to everyone that has been subscribed to my channel and has been watching all of my videos all the way through, because yeah, once again, our work has paid off. We are now in some massive profits. And yes, this breakout is a real breakout so far. As you can see, this is on the 1-hour chart, and we have seen an absolute massive spike of volume as we've broken above that resistance level. So this absolutely huge spike of volume on the charts is one massive confirmation that the breakout is real. The only other confirmation that we are yet to see to confirm that this breakout is real is to see if we get a retest of that 58k level as support and get a bounce off that level. Now, it's important to mention that this retest of the 58k level does not have to happen. If you can remember back in December when Bitcoin broke the 20k level, it just smashed through that level with massive volume and it never saw the 20k level ever again. So yeah, don't necessarily wait to see a retest. I'm just saying that if we do see a retest, then it's important that we hold that 58k level to confirm that the breakout is real. But yeah, once again, we do not have to see a retest. This massive spike in volume is confirmation enough that we have broken above the all-time high, obviously. Zooming back out to the 4-hour chart, drawing out the Fibonacci retracement tool from the previous all-time high at around 58k down to that low at 43k, which by the way, I called that 43k low on the channel when it happened. I said that you should be buying right there because that is the low. But anyway, getting back into it. So just here, as you can see, the next big Fibonacci extension on the chart is the 1618 Fibonacci level, and that's coming in at around 67,000 US dollars. So right now we are entering price discovery. There is no previous price that has traded, so we can't go off previous price history to determine resistance levels, obviously, because this is the first time we are at this price. So what we have to use to determine resistance levels to the upside is once again Fibonacci extensions. So the first Fibonacci extension is coming in once again at 67,000. So look, we will see a small little bit bit of resistance at around the 60,000 US dollar level, and that's simply because that's a psychological resistance level. It's just a big round number for Bitcoin to get above. But at the current rate of Bitcoin's climb, honestly, by the time this video even goes out, Bitcoin could be above 60,000. Seriously, any second right now, Bitcoin could get above 60,000 once again. And yeah, as soon as we get above that small 60,000 resistance, I'll be targeting around 67,000 once again as our first point of resistance to the upside. I've just put that as that green line on the chart, as you can see. And also what I was talking about in my last video, I gave you guys a full day to prepare for this. As you can see, there's this giant cup and handle pattern that has been forming for pretty much the last 3 weeks now. And I alerted you guys yesterday on the channel that this cup has finished forming and that we're getting ready to form the handle. And once again, we did see that small bit of downside action from the last video as I predicted. And since then, we have come back up towards the all-time high, obviously. And so that has completed this cup and handle formation. And if you don't already know, for the beginners out there, cup and handle patterns are extremely bullish patterns for Bitcoin. And I already said this in my last video, but my exact price target for this cup and handle pattern is right up here, up towards around 73,000 US dollars. So I'll just map that out on the chart here. As you can see, that's what that red line is just there, coming in at 73,000 US dollars. Now, obviously, just before that, we could see a bit of resistance at the $70,000 level, just because that's a psychological level for Bitcoin. But yeah, other than that, they're pretty much my two next massive price targets for Bitcoin to the upside: 67,000 US dollars and 73,000 US dollars. And honestly, I expect Bitcoin to get up towards those sort of prices within the next 1 to 2 months max. I'd say the shortest time frame that Bitcoin could get up to those prices is within pretty much 1 week. So yeah, I would expect at least a week for Bitcoin to take before we get up towards those prices, but no more than around 1 to 2 months. So I know that is a pretty big time window, but it gives you a rough idea to where Bitcoin could be getting up towards those prices. So if you're a new viewer to the channel and you've missed out on all of the videos that I've made throughout this correction telling you to buy Bitcoin, and especially if you're new to Bitcoin and yeah, you've missed out on buying at these prices once again, and you're wondering whether you should buy at these prices or if you should wait to see if Bitcoin comes back down, honestly, the best strategy is simply just to dollar cost average into Bitcoin, because we are in a bull market. We are in the middle of a bull market, and once again, Bitcoin has just broken into a new all-time high. And anytime we break into a new all-time high after a big correction like this, time and time again, this is followed by a big move to the upside over the next few weeks or months. I mean, just even zooming out and seeing the last correction that we saw back in January, from when we broke that all-time high, that was followed by a 40% pump to the upside over the next 2 weeks. And the time before that, when Bitcoin broke the massive $20,000 all-time high back here in December, that was followed by a 108% pump to the upside over the next 3 weeks. So yeah, once again, anytime Bitcoin breaks this all-time high, it goes absolutely berserk for the next few weeks. So that's what I'll simply say to all of the new viewers: dollar cost average into Bitcoin, and seriously hold that Bitcoin for the long term. Hold that Bitcoin strong, because once again, we can see some massive corrections like this on the chart that can take the price of Bitcoin down 30 to 40% to the downside and can last for weeks. But that sort of price action is totally normal in Bitcoin. But yeah, anyway, with all that being said, those are my price targets once again for Bitcoin, and that is my price strategy for entering into Bitcoin at the current prices. All right, and now switching over to the Ethereum US dollar chart, we're on the 2-hour chart for Ethereum. And as you can see, Ethereum right now is getting a nice breakout to the upside following what Bitcoin's obviously doing. I mentioned in my last video that just in the short term, Ethereum was forming this broadening wedge to the downside. And I said that the resistance for Ethereum was coming in at around 1,800 approximately. And obviously since then, Ethereum has obviously broken out to the upside, and we are now immediately targeting the 1880 US dollar level for Ethereum. And as soon as we break above that 1880 US dollar level with some significant volume heading to the upside, then my immediate next price target would be this level just up here. And that is simply because that's the all-time high for Ethereum, coming in at around 2,040 US dollars. But yeah, because Bitcoin Bitcoin's obviously looking extremely bullish at the moment and is breaking into its all-time high. Ethereum tends to follow what Bitcoin does, so honestly, I would expect Ethereum over the next few days to come up towards its all-time high at around 2000. And drawing out the Fibonacci extensions on the chart from the all-time high at around 2040 down to that low at around 1300, as you can see here, the next big Fibonacci level to the upside, apart from obviously this 78.6% Fibonacci level, which also is that 1880 US dollar level. So once again, that 1880 US dollar level is a significant level for Ethereum to get above. But once we break through that, and once we break through the all-time high, the next big Fibonacci level once again is the 1618 Fibonacci level, and that is currently coming in at around 2,500 US dollars per Ethereum. So once we get above that all-time high for Ethereum, that will be my next massive price target to the upside, the 2,500 US dollar level. So all in all, I am super bullish on Bitcoin right now, and that also transfers over to Ethereum. And from the current price up to that $2,500 level, that's pretty much a 34% gain to the upside. So if you haven't already accumulated Ethereum, what are you waiting for? Ethereum's still sitting below its all-time high while Bitcoin's breaking above its all-time high. So right now there is a nice opportunity sitting for you in Ethereum. But yeah, anyway, that's just about all I have to say for this video. Once again, this was just kind of a quick update to get onto the channel for you guys, to let you guys know that obviously Bitcoin's breaking the all-time high, and let you guys know my exact price targets in the future for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, then please make sure to just leave a like on the video down below. And obviously, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. I really appreciate all of your support on the channel at the moment. It seriously means a lot. And yeah, if you have any feedback, questions, or suggestions for me, let me know in the comment section down below. I try and read and reply to every single one of my comments in these videos. So if you have anything to say whatsoever, just let me know in the comments down below, but just be careful because there can be some scammers down there. So if you see any comment down there with like a phone number, email, WhatsApp, Telegram, anything like that, please do not contact anyone that you find from the comment section. Even if it looks like it's a reply from me, but if it's giving you a phone number, that is not me. That is a scammer trying to impersonate my channel. So please stay away from all of those types of comments that you find in the comment section. But yeah, once again, that's just about all I have to say for this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.